Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn about Excel functionality and how to enter and edit the data. So Microsoft Excel is developed by Microsoft Corporation. It is a part of MS Office suite, and to use Excel you must have MS Office installed in your system. Now to open Excel, click on Windows icon, All Apps, and click on Excel. So it will open MS Excel. There is another option. Click on Run and type Excel. Click on Excel and it will open Microsoft Excel. Now click on Blank Workbook. It will open a new Excel file. The shortcut to open a new Excel file is Control N. To open an existing Excel file, click File, Open. The Recent option will show you the recent files. Click on File and the file will open. To open any other file, go to File, click Open, click Browse option, select the file, press Open. It will open the existing file. The shortcut to open an existing file is Control O. Now the Excel file is known as workbook and sheet within the Excel workbook is known as worksheets. Default name of Excel workbook is book 1. To save the file, go into file and click on save as. Select the folder in which you want to save your file. So I'm saving my file on the desktop. First file. Default extension of Excel workbook is .xlsx. Keep it as is. Click on save and your file will be saved. The shortcut to save the file is Ctrl S. By default, there is one sheet in each Excel file. You can add another worksheets by clicking on the plus icon. Click on this and it will open a new worksheet. By default, the sheet name is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 and so on. You can rename the file. So right click on the sheet 1, click on rename, type the sheet name. So I'm saying first file. Similarly, you can give the name of sheet 2. Right click on sheet 2, rename again, type the file name and click anywhere in the sheet. You can delete the sheet also. To delete the sheet, right click, select delete option and the file will be deleted. You can hide or unhide the sheet also. To hide the sheet, right click on the sheet and click on hide button. Currently unhide option is disabled because no sheet is hidden. Click on hide. The sheet is not deleted, it is hidden. To unhide the file, right click on any tab, select unhide option. It will show you all the hidden files. Select the file and click OK. Hidden file is visible again. You can copy the sheet also. To copy the sheet, right click on the tab which you want to copy. Select move or copy option. Now if you want to copy the sheet within the same file, keep the to book as is because it is showing the current file name. Select move to and, or if I select sheet 4, file will be copied in between first file and sheet 4. Select the create a copy option, click on OK button and the file is copied. Now rename this file, right click on the file, rename. So there are two files having the same content. To move or copy a particular sheet to another workbook, select the sheet which you want to move, right click, select move or copy option. In move or copy, by default it will show the current file. Select the file where you want to move the sheet. If you select create a copy, then the sheet file 2 will be available in both original and the other file. If you don't select create a copy option, then the sheet will be deleted from existing file and moved to another file. So I'm not selecting create a copy option. Press OK. The sheet is removed from the existing file and it is available in another sheet. To change the color of the tab, right click on the tab, select tab color and select the color which you want to highlight. So the tab color is changed. You can zoom the sheet also. Currently it is showing 100%. Select the plus option. It will zoom in the file. Similarly, to zoom out, click on minus sign. Now in Excel, there are multiple features available. You can arrange the frequently used features in quick access toolbar. This quick access toolbar is available in the top left side and by default only save, undo and redo options are available. To get help of any feature, start typing the feature name in tell me what you want to do option. Select any cell and type copy, press enter and the selected cell is copied. In each worksheet, there are grid of cells. These cells are arranged in numbered rows and alphabetically named columns. Now data is entered into cell and each cell has unique address which is the combination of corresponding alphabet or letter and the number. To enter a data in any cell, select the cell. I have selected E3 and type any content. You can enter alphabet, digits, any special character. The cell address or reference is visible in the name box. Similarly, I am entering data in F3 cell, entering the numbers. Now you can see that the data in column E3 is not visible completely because the cell size is shorter than the content. So you can change the width of the cells. To change, you can move the cursor to the boundary of the E and F and double click. So automatically the width of the cell will be increased according to the width of the characters. Or you can drag the boundary of the cells to increase or decrease the width of the cells. If you want to keep the width of E column same but want to show the data, then you can wrap the content within the cell. To wrap the content, go to Home and click on Wrap Text. You can select a row by clicking on the particular number, or you can select the complete column by clicking on the particular alphabet. Similarly, you can select multiple rows by clicking on a particular row and dragging the mouse downwards or upward. You can change the height of any row or group of rows by selecting the row and then right click on the row, select row height, enter the height and press OK. So automatically the height of each cell will be 25. You can format the content of the cells. To format the cell content, select the cell, press Ctrl 1. It will open the format cells option, or select the cell, go to Home tab in the cells, click on format and select format cells options. It will open format cells dialog box. In the alignment tab, you can align the content horizontally or vertically. So vertically, I am selecting center. Horizontally, I am saying left aligned. If I click on OK, the text is now left aligned and center aligned. You can change the orientation of the content. So if I write 90 and press enter, it will change the orientation of the content to 90°. To change the font, click on the font tab. You can change the font name, select any font name, font style. You can change the size by selecting any option in the size field. You can change the color of the font. So I'm selecting red color, press OK, and the content will be changed as per the selected options. You can change the border of the cells. In the border tab, you can select the color of the border, select the style of the border, select the outline and then press OK. In this way, you can change the border of the cell. To fill the color in the cell, go into the fill tab and select any color, press OK. Make sure the cell is selected before doing any changes. When you click on any menu option, it will open a ribbon. You can fix this ribbon by clicking on the pin the ribbon option. So click on this option which is available on the right side of the ribbon. The ribbon will be fixed on the sheet. You can hide or unhide any row or column. To hide any row, select the row, right click and select hide option. Now to unhide the third row, select the second and fourth row, right click, select unhide and the row between the second and fourth row will be visible again. Similarly, to hide any column, select the column, right click, click on hide and the column will be hidden. To unhide the column, select the column D and F by clicking on D and dragging the mouse till F. Right click and press Unhide option. The hidden column will be visible. To insert a column in between the two columns, select the column, right click and press Insert, and it will insert a new column in between the column E and F, and a blank column will be inserted. Similarly, you can insert a row in between two existing rows. Select the row, right click, click Insert. It will insert a row above the selected row. You can change the content by using menu options also. Select the cell, click on Home tab, and different font options are available. So you can bold the text, italic the text, underline the text. You can change the font name. You can change the font size. You can fill the cell by any color. You can change the font color. You can change the alignment of the text. You can write the text as superscript or subscript. Select the cell, select the content, press Ctrl 1. In the font box, select subscript option, click OK, and the selected content will be written as subscript. Similarly, select the content, press Ctrl 1, select superscript option, click OK, and the selected content will be written as superscript. You can delete any column. Select the column which you want to delete, right click and press delete option. Similarly, to delete a row, select the row which you want to delete, right click and select delete option. If your sheet has large data set with headers and you scroll the sheet, then the headers will not be visible. The freeze pane option is used to freeze the specific row or column or both. In this sheet, we want to fix both first row and the first column. Now to use the freeze pane, select the cell above which and left of which you want to freeze. Go to View tab, click on Freeze Panes and select Freeze Panes. If you want to freeze top row, you need to select Freeze Top Row option. If you want to freeze first column only, you have to select Freeze First Column option. Select Freeze Panes. Now, if you scroll the sheet, the headers in the row and column will always be visible. Remember, Freeze Panes option will freeze the rows above and all the columns to the left of selected cells. To unfreeze the panes, select the cell, go to View tab, Freeze Panes and select Unfreeze Panes option. Now if you scroll, no row or column is freeze. In Excel, there are other features, functions and formulas available, which we will explain in the further videos. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share the video. Please subscribe the channel so that you will get notification when a new video will be uploaded. Thanks.